Alright guys, got another video for you today. I got here a Classic 50. I've showed a Classic 60 before. Classic 60 is just a little bit bigger. It's top security. Made in Thailand, or used a lot in Thailand, overseas. Basic pin tumbler lock. It's got about 6 pins in it. Gotta be getting closer. Heard a lot of clicks there. It's only a 6-pinner. It's a top security Classic 50, and this lock's really hard for me to get open. Even raking, before I was raking it open and it was popping open, and used to be able to pick it, single pin, pick it in no time, but this one's tough. They're using all 6 chambers, and that little curve up there at the top of the keyway makes it really difficult. There's no security pins in it. I don't think it needs any. It's pretty tough. Anyway, there it is. Classic 50, top security. Another lock out my foreign padlock collection. As always, hope you guys have a good one. Hope you guys had a better weekend than me. My weekend went really, really well. Paramedics, 911, all that good stuff. Red lights, blue lights, awesome. As always, you guys have a good one. Later.